Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my dear students? Hope all you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIEBS Home School. This is Amir Uddin, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, Day Shift, National Ideal English Version School. Dear students, today I am going to take a math class for the students of class 3. And our today's topic, geometry. This is lesson number 41. Dear students, our today's class is very important class, and in this class we'll introduce with quadrilateral, rectangle and square. Okay, let us start. At first I want to write the definition of quadrilateral, then I will draw the figure of a quadrilateral. What is quadrilateral? A figure bounded by four line segments. Figure bounded by four line segments is called quadrilateral. Now I will draw a figure of quadrilateral. Here total four line segments will be exist, and the line segments will make a bounded region. One line segments, another one line segments, another online segments, and this is another online segments. Here total four line segments exist, and line segments make a bounded region. So we can say that A, B, C and D is a quadrilateral. In the above figure, A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral. Okay, now students, we will write the definition of a rectangle. Then we will draw a figure of rectangle. Rectangle is also a quadrilateral. A rectangle. A quadrilateral. Which opposite sides are parallel and equal in length, and all angles are right angle. Is called rectangle. Now we'll draw a figure of rectangle. Here also four line segments will be exist, and opposite line segments will be equal in length and will be parallel, and all angles will be 90 degree. one line segments and its line segments also will be equal in length of these line segments. Dear students, at the time of drawing geometric figure, you must have to use scale and pencil. In this figure, BC is the opposite side of AD, and AD and BC are equal in length, and CD is the opposite sides of AB, and AB and CD also equal in length. AD and BC parallel, AB and CD also parallel, and all angles are right angle, that means 90 degree. Here BAD is 90 degree, ABC is 90 degree, ADC is 90 degree, and BCD also 90 degree. So we can say that in the above figure ABCD is a rectangle. In the above figure ABCD is a rectangle. Now we will write the definition of a square, then we will draw the figure of a square. A quadrilateral which all sides are equal in length and all angles are right angle. Is called square. Now we'll draw a figure of a square. Here all sides will be equal in length and all angles will be 90 degree. A, B, C, D. In this figure, A, B, B, C, C, D, A, D. All sides are equal in length and all angles are 90 degree. Here A, B, C angle is 90 degree, B, C, D angle is equal to 90 degree, C, D, A angle also equal 90 degree. So we can say that in the above figure, A, B, C, D is a square. In the above figure, A, B, C, D is a square. Okay, dear students, we have finished our today's class. I hope you have understood today's class. practice more and more at home. This is very important class. Stay home, stay safe, obey your parents' order. Thank you for watching the class. Allah Hafiz.